2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Minnie Riperton. Lovin' You. Love the song. It's awesome. Anyway, I don't think this is for beginners because we got a lot of bar chords. Anyway, the song is in A major. A major 7. 1, 2, 3. And we got a D major 7. 5, 7, 6, 7. Can play the high E string too. Then we got a C sharp minor. So that's 4, barring 4. 6 and second finger on the B string 5, and move that shape down a whole step, make it B minor, and then we got that first chord I showed you, A major 7. So that's basically all the chords. We got one more. We got an E major up here, but I'll show you that when we get to it. So let's pick it. 5, 4, 3, 5, 5, 4, 2, 3, 4. Same here, and let's do that over all the chords. D major 7, C sharp minor, B minor, A major 7. And then for the bridge, or that second part, let's call that a chorus. It goes B minor, C sharp, B minor, A major 7, and then B minor, C sharp. Now we're gonna switch faster. It's gonna go. That's B minor, C sharp minor, D major, which is 5, 7, 7, and move that up a whole step and make that E7, E major 7. So B minor, C sharp, B minor, A. Fast switching. Cool. Thanks guys for tuning in. Wonderful song. Have fun with it, and I'll see you tomorrow with more awesome hits. Thank you.